Hi, my name is Alex Carlisi with GustonShow.com. Let's say you have a nice single-family home in the suburb somewhere, and you want to buy a house with a cottage by a lake for cheap, somewhere far away, up in the mountains of Michigan. Maybe on the beach in Florida. That's a little more expensive, but maybe up in the mountains of Michigan, you get a second home. You can do it with 10% down, and you get the going rate for like an owner-occupied. So if the rates are really low, like today, and you got good credit, you can get a 2.625 rate, 10% down on a second home. And there's nothing like that. So you get the good rates. Now, normally, if you want to buy an investment property, you put 25% down, and you're going to get a much higher rate than the going rate. So if you want to buy a second home for yourself, 10% down, you get the good rate. So now you can't say you're buying a second home down the street and say that's my second home, because that's not a second home. That sounds more like an investment property. The underwriters are going to say, no, we want 25% down, you're going to get 5% interest rate, and you're not going to be able to do 10% down with a low 2.625 rate. So it's got to look like a second home, it's got to be a second home, and it really kind of has to be your second home too. So if you have a bunch of condos in Florida, they're all investments and they're on your tax returns, and you're going to buy another condo in Florida, you can't call it a second home. So you got to make sure it fits the bill, it looks like a second home, it is a second home. 10% down, you get a good rate. Conventional loans. 630-915-7550. That's my number, 630-915-7550. Give me a call anytime, and please subscribe.